This is a story of a man named Daniel. He lived and worked far, far away from his brother Rushdie, who both of them had lost their parents at an early age. Daniel became a breadwinner for his younger brother, who is still studying and had to live all by himself. Daniel usually gave Rushdie his weekly expenses money. One day, Daniel discovered himself meeting an innocent old man who is holding a file in front of a restaurant. When Daniel encounters that innocent old man who is offering him an insurance promotion, he just walks away, ignoring his presence. Poor Daniel, why did you do that? But suddenly, a phone rings. Rushdie was informed that his brother has lost his life in a tragic car accident. He seemed lost and quite confused when he heard the fact that he has lost his brother, which means he has lost all his family members. He found himself in a situation where he had no money to eat, to live, and even to pay his rents. Rushdie found himself with only ringgit available. He has to use it in order to survive his life. He go to a restaurant and eat his food as it was his last. Rushdie knows he has spent all his money to live. He found himself begging on the streets, begging for mercy, begging for help, begging for the will to live. But it was too late. He has passed away. But what if we can turn back time and fix this thing just a little bit? See, Daniel, that's how you treat an innocent old man. Insurance, it will secure the lives of your beloved ones.